Section 25 The Tabernacle Table. You should now be looking at the table on which the tabernacle is placed. The table is almost like a pedestal fused into a ledge. It might be easy to overlook, but this is more than just a support structure. It's designed to give the tabernacle a place of honor. And here in the Cubao Cathedral, it's also meant to help us reflect on what the tabernacle represents. The tabernacle table here is crafted with 3 distinct surfaces, each one bearing a bas-relief image of one of the 3 archangels mentioned in Scripture. On the left, you'll see Saint Michael with the sword raised over the enemy, a reminder of his role as protector and defender against evil. On the right, you'll find Saint Raphael holding a staff. It symbolizes his role as guide and companion to pilgrims, just as he accompanied Tobias on his journey in the Old Testament. And in the center, you'll see a powerful image, the Annunciation. But it isn't just a general scene of the angel Gabriel handing down a message to Mary. It specifically captures the moment Mary says yes to God's invitation to become the mother of his son. As Catholics, we believe that at the very moment Mary gave her fiat, her yes, the second person of the Blessed Trinity became human in her womb without ceasing to be God. Our liturgical calendar reflects this belief when we celebrate the Annunciation on March the 25th, and exactly 9 months later, on December 25th, we celebrate the birth of Christ. We know this is the moment depicted here because above the central image, you'll see the Latin words verbum caro factum est, and the Word was made flesh. At that moment, Mary became a living tabernacle, carrying Jesus within her. This is why we call her the living Ark of the Covenant, and why, in the Litany of the Blessed Virgin, she is honored with the title House of Gold. I think there is a lesson to be learned here. According to the Proto-Evangelium of James, Mary had hoped to live a simple, hidden life as a humble servant in the temple. But because she united her will with God's will, He raised her humble goals into something far greater. She is now not just a servant at the temple, but the temple itself. It shows that by uniting ourselves to God's will, our lofty dreams will become so much greater than we can ever imagine. The depiction of Mary carrying the unborn Jesus in her womb, this image that is placed underneath the tabernacle, expresses something profound. Mary was the first tabernacle, the first to carry the living God within her. It's a quiet but powerful reminder of her unique role in salvation history and her continuing presence within the mystery of the Church. Let's now focus our eyes on the next station. There is no need to move from where you are. Look to the right and above the altar, and you'll see a figure of an angel carrying a lamp. We'll explore that next. You can pause the audio here and press play when you're ready.